Hello students, how are you all? So this is your Reena ma'am and today we are going to do class 10th math exercise 3.2. I have also uploaded exercise 3.1 and the intro of exercise this chapter. So you can go to the I button and check from there. Yes, so here in this question, what do we have? Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines. Okay, so now how to do this question? First of all, let us see what is given in the question. Question में दिया है given the linear equation, एक linear equation already हमें given है, and what is this? That equation is, yes, 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So we have to write down the one more equation, and that is equal to, that should be in such a way that line should be intersecting each other. Intersecting lines के लिए अगर मुझे एक equation लिखनी है, then how to do it, right? So let me tell you how to do it. See, I have an equation here, 2x plus 3y minus 8, okay, equal to 0. Now intersecting lines के लिए कौन सी condition applicable होती है? For intersecting lines, I have, yes, just a second. So what is the condition for intersecting lines? For intersecting lines, we should have a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. ओके, तो यहाँ पे a1 by a2 का रेशो b1 by b2 के रेशो के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. So a1 and b1 we already have. We have to choose a2 and b2 in such a way, है ना, a2 और b2 को हमें ऐसे चूज करना है so that कि a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 हो जाए. So this is quite easy to do. Yes, what we will take, we can take a2 as 7 and b2 as any number you can take. I'm taking 10 here. Okay, so you can take any number because there are many equations. There are so many equations which satisfy all these conditions, right? So what will be the equation of the required equation what will be the solution of that? So it will be, yes, 7x plus 10y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 7x plus 10y minus 1 equal to 0. You can check from here. If you will take a1 by a2, then it will be a1 by a2 will be 2 upon a2 is 7 here, and that will be not equal to b1, that is 3 upon b2, that is 10. Yes, so the condition satisfy. That means this equation will intersect our given equation at a specific point. So let us go to the next part. So what is given in the next part? Yes, again we have 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, and we have to form an equation that is equal, that line should be parallel. Okay, इस given equation के parallel एक line मुझे बनानी है. Okay, then how to do that? Yes, I have the equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This is my equation, right? Now that another line should be parallel, I need one more equation that should be parallel to our given line. For parallel, क्या कंडीशन होती थी बेटा पैरेलल के लिए? पैरेलल के लिए कंडीशन होती थी a1 upon a2 should be equal to b1 upon b2 and it should not be equal to c1 upon c2. So a1, b1 and c1, here we already have a1 as 2, B1 as 3 and C1 as -8. अब हमें A2, B2, C2 सेलेक्ट करना है. तो A2, let me take A2 as 2 है ना यहाँ पे, इस 2 को अगेन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. देन आई गेट 2 2 जा 4. For taking B1, I want the same ratio, so I will multiply this 3 by 2. मीन्स जैसे मैंने उस 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मैं 3 को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी. ओके, so here I will get 3 2 जा 6. Now I don't want C1 upon C2 be equal I. So for C2 I will take any option. कोई भी नंबर, मैं randomly कोई भी नंबर ले लीजिए. So I'm taking -13 here. So now what should be our required equation? So required equation क्या होगी? A2x. A2 is 4 here. 4x then plus 6y and -13 equal to 0. So this is our required equation. तो ऐसी कितनी equations हो सकती हैं? ऐसी बहुत सारी equations हो सकती हैं, क्योंकि एक पैरेलल लाइन, अगर एक कोई भी लाइन अगर आपके पास है किसी भी प्लेन में, if you have a single line, yes, if you have a single line, then how many parallel lines can be exist here? There are many more parallel lines, infinite parallel lines. यहाँ पे मैं इसके पैरेलल कितनी लाइंस ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ? I can draw this, I can draw this, and I can draw many more. तो बहुत सारी लाइंस में ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ यहाँ पे. Similarly, जैसे मैं बहुत सारी लाइन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ, similarly I can find out so many equations. बहुत सारी equations भी find कर सकती हूँ. So I am finding one more equation for you people. Just have a look. If I am taking 2 3s are 6, so one is 6x, then 3 3s are 9y, and here I will take any random number, क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ A1 का मल्टीपल लेना है और A2 का और B1 का मल्टीपल लेना है. ठीक है. So this is our sixth question, second part. Now move ahead with the third question, third part of it. And what is given in the third part? We have to find out coincident lines. Okay. So what is the meaning of coincident lines? Yes, let us recall. What is the meaning of coincident lines? See, here is a line. Okay. And coincident line will be that line that will exactly coincide this. Okay. So if any other line will exactly coincide this line, then we can say that yes, these are the coincident line. एक ही लाइन के ऊपर अगर बेटा दूसरी लाइन आ जाए तो हम उसे कहेंगे कि ये कैसी लाइन है? ये कोइंसिडेंट लाइन है, राइट? ओके, so now I have to write down the equation. How will I write it? See, I am taking here 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, right? Now I want a coincident line. So what is the condition for coincident line? Condition. So for coincident line, conditions are A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2 will be equal to C1 by C2. ठीक है. Here I know it very well. A1 equal to 2, then B1 equal to 3 and C1 equal to -8. ठीक है. Now आपके पास A1 किसके इक्वल है? A1 equal to 2, B1 equal to 3 and C1 equal to -8. अब आपको क्या करना है बेटा? A1, B1, C1 तीनों को किसी एक फिक्स्ड नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, किसी एक फिक्स्ड नंबर से. So yes, I am taking here 3. I will multiply A1, B1 and C1 by 3. Then what do I get? I will get A2 equal to 3 2s are 6. Then B2 equal to 3 3s are 9. Then C2 equal to 8 3s are -24. Why am I doing so? क्योंकि जब मैं यहाँ पे A1 by A2 का रेशियो लूंगी, it will be 2 by 6. क्योंकि मैंने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, देन रेशियो विल बी 1/3. सिमिलरली B1 B2 का रेशियो भी 3/9 1/3. C1 C2 का रेशियो भी इक्वल होगा 1/3. So the required equation will be, yes, required equation will be 6x plus 9y, okay, minus 24 equal to 0. So this is our required equation. Fine. Now children, see how many equations can be there. ऐसे कितनी equations होती हैं बेटा? कैसे ऐसे कितनी equations हो सकती हैं? There can be so many equations. हो सकती हैं? Yes. If I will multiply my given number by 4, then I will get, if I will multiply it by 4, I will get 4x. Same, I will multiply the next term by 4, I will get 3 to the 12y, and then minus 32 equal to 0. Okay. So मैंने आपको 2 इक्वेशन फाइंड करके दिखाई है. यू कैन गेट मैनी मोर इक्वेशंस. बस आपने कंडीशन याद रखनी है. क्या है कंडीशन? कि अगर लाइन कोइंसाइड करेंगी, then let me draw the line for you here as well. Coincident lines means if you have a line and the other line will lie on that, then we will say that yes, the lines are coincident to each other. Fine. So hopefully ये question आपको समझ आया होगा. Yes, if you are liking this video and if you are getting the concept, तो ऐसी बहुत सारी video है, you can go to I button and check there, as well as please don't forget to subscribe this channel. ओके, अगर आप पहली बार चैनल को देख रहे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें एंड बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस कीजिए, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड more videos and I will solve board question paper as well. So if you want the important questions and that board pattern, then yes, stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment there if you are getting any difficulty anywhere. Thank you so much.